Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to open new drawing in AutoCAD. Okay, so you come to first of all you come to this arrow of the new, click new, and if you don't see template here, you come to browser templates. You click yes, here you will see all the template that is available for you. But you can go to AutoCAD template. Yes, so you come to default template a card, you click and you come to open. It's the first way how you can use to open your AutoCAD template. And now for the second way to open your AutoCAD drawing area, you can come to this AutoCAD logo. The arrow you click on the arrow. Here you see new, you click new, and you don't want to use any template. So what you should do, you just come to open, but don't click on open, you click the arrow that's going down to the open, and you will see open with no template imperial, open with no template metric. So what does it mean by the imperial? What does it mean? The metric is reflect to the unit, millimeter, centimeter, and meter. Then the imperial is reflect to feet and inches. So when you click on open with no template imperial, you see automatically you will see your drawing area is open and you can start drawing. Now, the last and third one that I want to show you is you can click Control N, you see, and you will open the template. You can choose any template you want here. You can choose Akadiso and any drawing, any template that you want from here, and you start your, let's say from this one you choose, and yes, you can start your drawing. See you next time. Thank you.